Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to send money from UK to the Philippines using GCash. But before we get started, if you use the link from the description below to create your own Wise account, you will be charged no fees on the first $1,000 that you transfer using Wise. So with that out of the way, let's dive in. So here's the deal. You can send money to GCash from UK, but you'll need to use a third-party service to make it happen. And one of the most popular and reliable platforms for this is Wise. So here's what you need to do. First things first, go to Wise website or app and then create your own account. Once you're signed in, you'll need to go to or you'll be directed to the homepage. From here, you want to click on send. Then from this, you want to change this to GBP since you're the one sending. And the recipient gets PHP since this is the currency that GCash accepts. So let's say, for example, we're sending £100. So from here, you can choose what you're paying with. It could be bank transfer, a debit, credit card, Swift transfer, depending on your account. Once done, click on Add Recipient. Then from here, you want to choose e-wallet. Then make sure you choose someone else. Then enter their full name. Wallet provider, this is where you need to choose GCash, as you can see here. So choose GCash, then enter the recipient's e-wallet number. E-wallet number, this is their phone number attached to their GCash, right? And then enter their city. You can also enter their email address here. Once done, just go ahead and click on continue, and basically that's it. Money will be converted automatically and straight to your recipient's GCash wallet, usually within minutes or a few hours, depending on the method. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!